and welcome to a new video about React TypeScript. Today we will be talking about how you can make your API request in a better way. I don't know if it is the best way, but I like it too much because we will be making custom hooks and making our API request. So let's start. I have here a request function. This here will be the logic for our custom hook. This is my axios. So let's start writing a function which will get the data from the API. So will pass promise, and all promise will return a user. And then I will write my code in a try and catch block. Sorry, I did something wrong, I think. So it's complaining that your function will return something, but let's do this. And now const our response is equal to await. For await we will make our function async axios. I'm using axios for the request. The method will be get. Our URL will be, this is a free URL. You can use it. This is randomuser.me, and now let's write like f our response.status is not equal to 200, so it will throw new error and you can return anything inside it. So next our data will be of type user, in which will be like response.data, and we will return our data. So this is our function to get the users from the API. Next I will come here. I already have the user imported from here, and this is the user model, and I don't need to, so I will like write a method const our data set data is equal to use state. It will be of type T. Here I need to say that T extends unknown because we shouldn't be passing just one type. Currently I have user, but in the future maybe if I have many things, the project will here we will like pass to this use request function, we will pass another function. So it will be like, I should give, you can give any name to it, but I give it a name of execute. So the execute will be a function, a callback function, and it will return the type T. Next we will have our const error comma set error will be equal to use state, and initially there will be nothing in it. Next I will have my loading and set loading function equal to use state, and it will be initially it will be false. Now const execute is equal to, so this is my function, the execute function, and inside it I should name it something else, get data. So it will be get data, it will be not get data, execute. And now here this function will return a promise of t, not just the type t. So now I will call my method. First I will my loading to true, next I will get data dot then it will return my response, and my response will be of type t. Set data will be response dot nothing else, but it will be response because my response currently it will be like t. This function will return anything, but catch my error, and set error will be error. Next I will dot finally set loading to false. So this is my function which will I call every time in every screen, and I will return data, error, loading, and my execute function. So this is a custom hook for getting data. Now here I am like passing a function to this. Now how will we use this? Sorry, don't need that. How we will use this? So this is my app component. I already have the users, and I will have const is equal to use request. I already have the request imported from my wrapper, which is right here, and I will pass the function, this function, to this method. So it will be like this, get user, it is importing it from my requests, and here I will get the data, error, loading, and like the execute method. Now you can see that if like in every screen we define these all variables, it will become a mess. Like it doesn't mean that you will have just one request in a page, so it will become a mess. But if you do this, like your code will shrink. With this, the on click, I want to execute my method. Here I will like return an h1, but first it will be if loading is true, it will return something like loading and dot dot dot. Next, if I have the data dot results dot map, I already have written my user model, so I'm not going to return all of this, but I will just return the first name and the gender. Maybe I will also return the image, it's right here, picture. So that map, I will have an element, and I will wrap this inside an empty. I will have an h3. Inside the h3 I can print my name dot first. There will also be another, so dot gender. It will be this, and next I want to show the image of the user. src, it will be equal to el dot picture dot maybe large. So this is like my how can I like in a better way. You can also print the error, but currently I don't have an error. I won't have an error. So if I have like an error, I can show like an h1 of error. So I have passed this method to my button, so I need to click the button, and you can see there is a data from the API. I can click again and the loading appears and the image changes. So I just thought I would share with you, and this is like if someone is doing stuff like in every page he has a use effect, or like you will have to write a function here and you are returning your things and it will become mess. So it's good to like have one method. I have this method, and if I need like I have another method and another API, and I need something else, I can write the function for that and I can pass it here. So there will be like less code in your component. So hope you like the video, and I also hope you people are enjoying, and thank you very much for watching. And if you want to support me, you can like subscribe to my channel, and it will give me motivation about making better and better videos. And next, like I'm also going to start some stuff about React Native. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.